I thought about it with okay, because I know that once you search something automatically bazokuvezela things related to what you've searched. I thought it was that thing. But I noticed okay, so sing like hooked with this pastor that I'm praying with was Nigeria. So I'm praying like every morning or 8 o'clock. Siyathandaza nalo mfundisi lo. And then njengoba sengithi like sengithandaza like sengitry kuba consistent with okay, let me pray every Monday to Friday. Kanti weyothi ke rapella bana baka. I'm praying for my own personal things. It's my business leona I tsamaisha. It's like the more I dwell ku prayer ngi-expect ukuthi ama outcome abe positive. Instead it's like I'm inviting more darkness, and by that time I don't know, I was not even aware, but it's like I don't know how God allowed this, or maybe he wanted ukuthi ngidlule la kuzoyenzeka le ezo engivelele nayo. Empilweni nami kudala ngifasta boma 21 days nasenkonzweni. I've never lost weight that much to a point yokuthi ngibonakale ngathi I was sick. In some it's like siyahlubeka ilo enjali fasting. My younger brother umama matha uphindanga uyenza fast. Never uyenza fast. I fasting akwenza so murungwa ufuna ukufa mara i fast